Exceptional tips on using affiliate marketing properly. The world of affiliate marketing can be a complex and confusing web of endless connections that may seem impossible for you to make your mark in. Not true. Although it will not be easy, with some information and education such as what can be found in this video, you may find yourself drawn into the fantastic opportunities that the world of affiliate marketing has to offer. Make sure you understand what you are getting into before you make a site. There usually isn't a big commitment when it comes to affiliate marketing, but make sure you always read all fine print. You want to make sure you know the expectations of your affiliates with you and whether or not you can meet those expectations before you proceed. Most importantly, your website content must be up to par. Your website will never get quality traffic if you are not targeting the consumer with information that is relevant and informative. An affiliate program will never work if you do not get good traffic directed through your site at a constant pace. Many people spend hours on the internet. They usually come across many advertisements per day, and will pay attention to the ones that are relevant to their lives. Putting an advertisement for your company on the internet is a sure way to make sure that hundreds of people will see it each and every day. At the least, you should annually perform focus groups with customers and site visitors. Focus groups give you a chance to see your audience and their physical reactions to your products or services. You may find that focus group members also have terrific new ideas that you would have never thought of on your own. Some of the advertisers who offer affiliate marketing partnerships will make special offers from time to time, not just to their customers, but to the webmasters they partner with, too. Affiliates may offer bonuses or other incentives for website owners who deliver certain kinds of traffic or help to make a certain amount of sales. Profit-minded webmasters stay on top of these offers and adjust their website advertisements accordingly. Run your affiliate marketing business like a business. If you want to make money, you have to treat your work like a job. Establish set hours to work and set tasks to do. Set up goals for yourself to accomplish and stick to them. In that way, you will be able to measure your progress and stay motivated for success. When you're working on any affiliate marketing campaign, writing content is going to be very important. Make sure that you're always keeping your sentences short. Short sentences are easy to read sentences. Long sentences with lots of punctuation can confuse readers. And not to mention, that long sentences are bad for links. And there you have a brief overview and some very insightful advice that has hopefully encouraged and prepared you for success in affiliate marketing. As overwhelming as it all may seem in the beginning, once you become even more familiar with terms, tricks and trades, you will find yourself getting closer and closer to achieving your goals in affiliate marketing. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.